Hello. Oh, are you gorgeous?
Oh. He says thanks for the ride.
Gorgeous. Well, I don't think he's a Meely. I think he's a mixed. I think you're a mixture.
Well, apparently he's got a habit.
Are you a mixture?
Where he sounds like an alarm going off. That's what they warned me about. So it's like, oh, okay.
Hello.
Come on, buddy.
Hello.
Yeah, now who have you got there? Which one's that?
That's Mork.
It's Mork. Oh. You're going to have...
Are you a pretty bird? Oh, you are so pretty.
He's getting stimulated.
Let me see your feathers. Oh, you're gorgeous. You are gorgeous. Yes, you are. You're such a pretty bird. Oh, look at the pretty feathers.
Oh,
look at the pretty feathers.
Your big show off.
Are you showing off? Oh, yeah.
You going to talk to me? You going to talk to me? Okay.
Hi. I found my next love. That's what I thought.
That's a Meely.
I bet it's a girl. Well, I don't know.
Oh my God.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Look at those beautiful.
Yes, you are gorgeous.
What's it called? A Meely. A Meely.
M-E-A-L-Y.
That's what I thought it was until I
And
saw
there
it.
are very many of them. So
Yes.